What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. So as the title suggests, my 529 gears are in, 4runner is back on the road, and it feels absolutely amazing to be driving again. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you would have seen a few videos ago, I got my 529 gears installed along with some other parts, as well as my 35-inch tires. Now, my biggest concern when I was trying to decide between the 488 gears or the 529s was how high my RPMs were going to be at highway speeds. And now that I've been driving for a little while, I know I made the right decision. I'm very happy with the way it drives. So make sure you stick around because I'll be showing you exactly where my RPMs are at, and I'll be doing a bit of a comparison with my stock gears as well. So let's go. So as I mentioned, I was a little bit worried that with the 529 gears, my RPMs might be a little too high on the highway. And the last thing I wanted was to be cruising at like 100 kilometers an hour and my engine is just absolutely screaming. And then you need to pass someone, you downshift, and next thing you know, your RPMs are who knows where, right? So that was a big concern of mine. And I think that's a pretty common concern for people considering regearing. So why don't we address that right now, and let's take a look at where my RPMs are at. So as you could see from those clips, when I'm driving on the highway doing about like 80 or 90 or 100 kilometers an hour, my RPMs are definitely a little bit higher, but not by that much. You know, definitely not as high as I was thinking before I got the gears done. So another thing to keep in mind is when I was doing 100k an hour and my RPMs were at 2500 with my new gears, my speedometer is not actually accurate right now because of my bigger tires. So when it shows 100k an hour, I'm actually doing probably more like 112, which I never really drive that fast in this thing. We all know it's a 3rd gen 4runner. It's not meant to go fast. If I want to go fast, I drive my wife's Lexus. So that being said, more realistically, I'm gonna probably be doing like 100k an hour, which would be about 90 on my speedometer. And that's gonna put me like under 2500 RPMs, which if you ask me, that's pretty much perfect. You know, I actually prefer a little bit higher. It makes it easier to, if you need to pass someone, you can, and you don't really have that like the gear hunting issue with the stock gears. It drives perfect, it shifts really smooth, and it feels good. So why don't we take a look at my RPMs one last time at slower speeds, just so you can kind of see what that looks like. In case you have any questions around that, we'll take a look at that and then we'll end the video. Well, there you have it. If you're considering regearing, I hope this video helps you out. I know I don't have any experience with the 488s, but all I can say is that I'm really happy with the 529s. And if you go online, read on some forums, ask around, you know, although some people might prefer the 488s, I think that the general consensus is that the 529s are a better option. That's probably the way to go. So anyway, hope this helps you out. I'll end the video right here. One last thing, I just wanted to quickly say thank you to you for watching this video. I just recently got 1,000 subscribers and I really appreciate all the support from you guys. So Thanks for watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.